Good morning, traders. This is spectacular institutional week. We identified months and years in advance that this is institutional buy point. War is getting worse, inflation getting worse, everything getting worse. Worse and worse and worse and worse. So how's it possible market skyrocketing and staging spectacular bullish rally? Because Alpha Fibonacci said so. Identified this in advance. This is what played out in the months of May. Flawless, spectacular. When S&P skyrocketed from 3600 until 4400 level. Here we are again. Intelligent trader understands this is historical week. This is historical event. Intelligent trader also understands months and years in advance that this level is out, this level is next. This level is out, this level is next. This is historical week. So if you've touched single short, you have to stop trading live. Because since yesterday it's been extremely clear and very, very pure that the only option to buy the market, not to sell. And that's what we're discussing with students every single day. This morning pullback is junky. This morning price is showing you bullish rally is on. So intelligent trader understands the only good thing that will happen here is a powerful pullback. Bullish rally overextended with spectacular institutional rally. This has started on Sunday night. As Putin begging for negotiation table because Putin is losing the war. He needs to walk away with the win after declaring 15 parts of Ukraine, 15% of Ukraine, as Russia, he's asking for negotiation table. This had not been heard since February 21st, when war had started. World loves that news. Ukraine ignores that news. But again and again and again, peace in Ukraine is benefit for the entire world. So this is a crucial moment in your trading. If you lost money and you've been shorting the market since yesterday because news been catastrophic, let me remind. So again, yesterday morning catastrophic horrific news on extremely important manufacturing PMI 50.9. We remain firmly bullish. We discussed with my brilliant traders that intelligent trader only buying, not selling the market. This is a stunning and flawless reminder of the importance of trading with institutions and not against them. This breathtaking flawless rally and massive trade opportunities played out since Sunday night, as institutional volume to the upside is spectacular flawless. And when your trade reaches your critical target, please do not ignore. Exit your trade. Software projected on 1-minute chart, trade played out on multiple charts. That's it. This is a rule-based system that you can trade on all platforms, no software required. This is a software for Ninja Trader 8. Ultimate precision, ultimate entry, ultimate stop, ultimate target with institutional bias only. And that's spectacular bullish rally that's overextended, that's in massive pain. So if you can afford to buy the market this high, you are moving multi-million-dollar positions. You are trading without stop. You adding to your long because you are already in spectacular profit 200 points later. But if you are not trading someone else's money, if you do trade your own, you need to understand trading overextended bullish rally is extremely challenging. Why? Here's a reminder. Market is junky for the previous 5 hours. Before US market, this is what market looks like. Look at that. Massive pain. At the open, spectacular institutional volume again. Again, after 6 hours of junky corrections. What do you see that played out that's important? Alpha Fibonacci support is respected. Pullback is junk. Institutional traders adding to their longs. No one in their clear mind shorting this market. No matter how horrific the news is, only longs since yesterday morning. And that's how you trade as intelligent trader. You are not a gambler, you are not a speculator. So if you touched long this morning, it's extremely aggressive trade. Intelligent trader understands that extremely clearly. This is simplicity and purity of the system in front of you with the software. Only institutional traders can afford to buy this high. But if you do trade your own account, if you do trade with your own money, it's entirely different trading. Every single tick matters. Ultimate precision, ultimate rules only. Powerful pullback is crucial as price reached reversal zone. This plays out in front of you right now. RZ means reversal zone. We need serious selling pressure. We need serious profit taking. If not, trading will be brutal for day trader. That's it. The volume only to the upside. Absolutely no short. And again, I can project Alpha Fibonacci system on all charts. And again, in case you miss the events in this trading room, this is what the market looked like yesterday morning. Bullish rally in progress, market heading higher and higher and higher and higher. Only longs, no shorts. This morning we're reaching reversal zone. Intelligent trader understands powerful pullback is crucial. Without powerful pullback, for day trader who's trading retail account, trading is gambling. That's it. And that's simplicity and purity of the system. So if you're trading your own micro account, if you have only $500 in your account, or if you have only 5,000 or 15,000, you're in the course with exact same traders who are moving multi-million dollar positions with Alpha Fibonacci system. That's it. And you decide what you want to trade. So while S&P stuck in junk and price reminding you, brutal and nasty, corrective, worthless, bearish move that you cannot touch, you cannot trade, because this is only correction, this is only weakness. Let's review other institutional moves on other instruments. Here's Netflix before the crash. Here's Netflix in October 2021. We're going back exactly a year to review Alpha Fibonacci System. We discussed with students in course intelligent trader would never touch Netflix at this level. We review the trades by top traders on the planet as those trades are posted and available to general public. That's it. Here we go. So here's one of the top hedge funds in US placing $1 billion on Netflix at reversal zone. We're reviewing this with students in the courses we're discussing. It's a joke. It's gambling. So an Aikman taking $400 million loss, instantly you know that you are much more intelligent trader when you're trading Alpha Fibonacci system. Netflix collapses 70%. Again, you knew this far in advance. Day trading not for everyone, but anyone can trade the system long term. No software required. Traders trade on platforms I never even heard of. Never, ever, ever. If the platform has price and Fibonacci retracement tool, you can trade the system on MT4 on MT5, on Sierra charts, on TradeStation, on Infinity, on Interactive Brokers, on Optimal Metastock, on all platforms. Here we go. Here's Netflix a year later. Here we are. From 700 until 150 level. Spectacular sell-off. Breathtaking. But when on the news you see, so this is a little band-aid for those who bought crypto because of the noise by all the celebrities everywhere. Many more celebrities will be charged for hyping Bitcoin and other crypto derivatives. Poor Kim Kardashian charged 1.626 million, but she's worth 1.8 billion. So let's take a look what happened with Bitcoin since the hype by celebrities and other traders who can afford to lose billions of dollars in a single day. The hype and horror in Bitcoin is on. We're laughing as students exiting Bitcoin at critical levels. And let me take you back again by a year to October a year ago. You are not a gambler. You exited Bitcoin at this level. You understand if trading on the hype worked, everyone would be Bill Gates. But those who trade on hype are gambling. Buying reversal zone will give you 20% success rate. Price moves one step at a time. Bitcoin collapsed more than 70%. That's it. Those are the lessons of the last year. To use your brilliant brain to understand where key, sell, and buy institutional levels are. Because if you keep trading without institutional power, it's gambling. It's not trading. And if I bring to your attention oil, let's review institutional chart. So here's oil traders institutional chart. Massive bullish news on oil since the start of the war in February, but oil selling off. It reached reversal zone. But again, many months in advance, you know, this is critical key institutional support to the downside. So let me take you back to February before the start of the war. This is what oil looked like on institutional chart with Alpha Fibonacci System. War started on February 21. Here we go. Bullish rally zone, but bullish rally overextended. This is critical key institutional support. But if I take you back a year on oil, you knew extremely well where critical key opportunity is to buy oil. October 1, 2021. Flawless, spectacular bullish rally remains on. Stunning flawless bullish points of entry with massive bearish news on oil. But bullish rally remains intact. It's on. And that's the power of the system. And that's the events of tomorrow during oil news. As I constantly bring oil news to the trading room to remind you to see the power of the system in the live markets to the tick. So I hope you join us tomorrow during oil news. And again, if I bring to your attention Tesla. This is Tesla a year ago, in October 2021. Bullish move is on, Tesla moving one step at a time. So what would your investment look like if you bought Tesla at 200 level? No speculation here, no gambling, only ultimate precision. Here's Tesla in August 2021, a year ago. Bullish move is on. Continues slower. Here is Tesla in November and December 2021. Slow and certain move is up. Months and years in advance you know where reversal zone on Tesla will be. And when Tesla selling off from reversal zone, you are very well prepared. You are not a gambler, you are not a speculator. You have zero interest in junky, delayed indicators. Here's Tesla now. Stunning and flawless reminder. So here's Tesla selling off from reversal zone. It's been brutal, vicious, nasty year for Tesla. This is a crucial level on Tesla to the upside, 325. Critical. This is junky bearish correction. Tesla sold off from 400 until this level. And again, you know extremely well, after a single class, why this is a crucial level on Tesla remains. That's it. So when you obey the rules, the only thing you have to identify what's appropriate for you and your account. Here comes pound. Historical sell-off on pound to the lowest level. Here's a chart on pound 7 years ago, as I identified sell-off on pound, catastrophic event 7 years ago, identifying that this would be reversal zone on pound. 7 years later, pound reversing from reversal zone, right here in front of you. Intelligent trader knows months in advance this will be war zone on pound 116. That's it. But again, if I take you back on pound to October 2021, this is what pound looked like. Sell-off is on. This is before I'm meeting students in London. I always travel the world meeting with my students. Sell-off is on. Pound moves one step at a time. Pound collapsed from 144 until this level. But again, you knew this 7 years ago. All depends on the chart you trade. So again, all of this with the power of Alpha Fibonacci System. If day trading is not for you, use system long term. It's simple, it's pure, as proven by traders in more than 50 countries. Every trader trading different instrument, different account. Euro. Identical thing. Euro collapsed to the lowest level ever in 20 years. But again, you knew this 7 years ago. This remains key level on euro. 87 cents is next to follow. Oops. Good for us Americans. US Canadian dollar skyrocketing. Reached reversal zone. What would your trading be like if you knew to buy US dollar? October 2021 was the only brick wall. This is Canadian dollar a year ago. USD CAD. As again, I constantly show US Canadian dollar heading to 170. 170 is out, that's higher. Again, one step at a time. Here we are right now on USD Canadian dollar. Intelligent trader understands we are in weak bearish correction now. That's it. Very important level to the downside, 135. US dollar will continue higher and higher. The only obstacle that's left, reversal zone. If the junky bearish pullbacks remains, trending bullish rally will pick up the steam. That's it. You understand this clearly each and every day. You decide what's appropriate for you and your account. And if I bring to your attention Apple, my goodness, identical level on Apple as on S&P. Identical twin structure on Apple as on S&P. Did you buy Apple yesterday morning or did you short? It's all the same. When you can trade one, you can trade them all. Do you remember this level on S&P? Exactly the same as Apple, as oil, as Bitcoin, as Euro pound. It's all the same. Price action remains the same. This confirms the weakness of the sellers. So when you're looking at spectacular, phenomenal institutional longs, you can exhale. War is not good for this world. Only peace. Slimmest chance of peace is a gift. So let's hope diplomacy will find its way and the world can exhale. That's it. And that's the power of proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system that you can trade on all instruments, all time frames, all derivatives, with software for Ninja 8 or without software on all instruments. Price identical on S&P, on oil, on pound, on euro. This morning, Apple and S&P are twins. So as it's proven by traders all over the world, it's very clear. If 14-year-old can do this, on Dow, after 2 weeks of classes, anyone can. Listen to podcast by Dominic, whose father, hedge fund manager in London, trading multi-million-dollar retirement accounts with Alpha Fibonacci System. Choice is yours. You decide what you want to trade. CEO, trading Bitcoin and crypto and oil. Ken, with whom I met in London, interested only in crypto. I keep receiving emails from Ken, whose family praying for me. Because for Ken, trading crypto with Alpha Fibonacci System changed his family life. Ken supports family of 5 trading Alpha Fibonacci System. Emergency room doctor in Texas trading it all. Exited Bitcoin before the crash. Sue, woman in Dallas, killing it non-stop since day one. You decide what you want to trade. The choice is yours. The skies are the limit. Only you can identify what's appropriate for you and your account. Every single person sees the world in a different place. Every single person has different financial abilities. And when Dan shows what's possible, if you obey the rules day one with Alpha Fibonacci system, the skies are the limit. Richard trading multi-million-dollar account since day one with 100% profits, zero losers. It never gets old to see. But this is what matters to me each and every day, adding value to another human's life. If Ken can do this, if Dominic can do this, if Richard can do this, so can you. All you have to do is identify what's appropriate for you and your account. So please review the information on the website. Please view emails from students, and you can always sign up for the trading room and understand. This is a system traded globally by traders of all levels, from 14 to 90 plus year old, from micro to macro account, from futures to Forex to stocks to options to instruments I've never even heard of. If price exists, if Fibonacci retracement exists on that platform, you can trade the system. View students' performance, listen to students' podcasts, and choose from option appropriate for you. Option 1 and 3, all platforms. No software required. Every single option includes group course, 3 months, video library modules, trading room. Second and fourth option also includes NinjaTrader 8 software. Both lifetime systems. Last two options, the most desirable option, savings $8,000. It's private mentoring, currently overbooked. So if you're considering signing up, speak with me first, please. How flexible you are with your schedule and how we can work together will identify if private mentoring is for you. I hold your hand, I test you, I quiz you, I give you homework. I keep you accountable. I show you clearly what's appropriate for you, your psychological comfort, your risk management to trade. Again, all includes group courses, video library, modules, trading room, lifetime system for all platforms, option 2 and 4, software for Ninja 8. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Again, this was Institutional Morning. Again, this was a spectacular reminder of the importance of trading with institutions and not against them. And that's the only path to success, as proven by traders all over the world, from micro to macro accounts, from Forex to futures to options to stocks. That's it. That's simplicity of the system. You are serious about trading? I look forward working with you. If 14-year-old Dominic can do it, so can anyone. Simple. Do not overcomplicate trading, please.